Well, there it is, folks. If you can see that, 99.8 hours. So far, I gotta say this girl has been good to me. I can't complain. Haven't had any real issues. One point, unfortunately, off camera, I did break a tooth on the backhoe, but I welded that back on, picked up a spare. Just in case it breaks again, they are only made of cast. So I figured I got a job to do here. Actually, it's a big job Buddy and I are going to be working on. And since I'm so close to the 100 hours, I might as well just kind of wrap it together. It's going to, of course, the job itself will be broken up into segments, but at least this will be the start of the job and the 100 hours. So I know one of the comments I got during my 50-hour review was asking me about the filters, or concern for the filters. They wanted to know how things were holding up. So far, so good. Still only the Hydrostat filter is the one that was actually a Daedong brand. The rest, one was a Wix for the oil filter, and I can't remember the name off the top of my head now, for the transmission filter. So, but all in all, everything's been working great. Like I said, I haven't had any real problems. As everybody else mentions, these bolts here, definitely got to check them off, and they loosen up. I had marked my loader bolts and they're all still right on the money, so I guess I just happen to be lucky there. I don't know. I added a little hitch to the front there. Hindsight, it's actually kind of a waste of time. You've got to make sure the trailer's at least that high off the ground before you can even get underneath it. Otherwise, you're digging up dirt at the same time. So I can understand why people might locate them down here, or at least buy the slip-on if they're not handling anything too heavy. Girl's a little dirty right now. She's been greased regularly, so that gets all over the place. And they just haven't given it a bath for a little bit. So, yeah, no, I can't say it enough that I'm happy with this Coyote so far. No problems, and I think I'm going to continue to be happy for a while. So I guess I got lucky on that one. Now, to move on to the job that we're looking at here. There's going to be a lot of stuff going on here. I won't disclose it all right in this video here, but at least what we're going to start tackling today. So we've got a very wet area here. Pretty much as soon as I step down off of this, it starts getting moist. And now you can see there's a culvert here. It's supposed to drain from across there underneath, and it's just spreading out all over the place here. So I'm going to come in, get a nice ditch, basically trench it out all the way down to this tree line there where you can see those rocks, and try to get all the water to just stay in one location. I'm guessing it's a nice spring underground here, and just so close to the water table at the base of this mountain that yeah, it's going to be something we have to deal with. So over on this side, I'll scoop out an area for it to collect. I mean, you can see it's coming straight down through here, but it's also starting to come in around the sides here. So dig that out a little bit, give it a place to actually collect while it then waits its turn to go underneath the culvert. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of stuff happening here, so it's going to be multiple videos. Soon my buddy will be around, and yeah, we're going to really go to town. But right now, just myself to get started. Here's another example of the water that's sitting and waiting to make it down through that culvert. So it's going to be, I'm sure, a little challenging because it's super soft over here. I mean, yeah, I'm four-wheel drive, but I have a feeling there's be sometimes I'll be getting stuck. So yeah, all right, I'm going to get into position, start setting up for digging out the one side with the little collection, and then go from there. So see you in the next scene. we got it. It's definitely drained nicely, and there was definitely some rocks that I encountered as well as some roots, but it still makes me think that somebody once attempted to take care of this and it just got well overgrown. So I'll talk to my buddy, see what he wants to do, if we just want to dig it out a little more and so we can fill more stone in there, or just end up putting some like 3-inch minus in or whatever, just trying to match the stuff that you see kind of already in there. So, but it's draining just in time because now it's raining, so I'm gonna call this one done for the moment. Let's see, I think it's gonna rain for the rest of the evening, so maybe return trip tomorrow and work on some more stuff. All right, till next time, see you later. Thanks for watching.